guys, I paused because I forgot it was not done. Look at
Eat
that.
it before it melts.
Okay. Oh my god, they found us.
Oh no! We were hiding from you guys.
It's
Oh, that's nice.
a unicorn.
Wow. Can this look?
Yeah. We're hiding because it's taking so long from taking a picture. Mom, can you hold my jacket? I'm eating. Baby.
Yes.
Look, there's a green ice cream right there. Wait, it's right here. Yay! It's a unicorn.
Come on. Cheers. Let's do it here.
Cheers. Don't put it together or we're gonna have two flavors.
Let's go.
Ah, you don't have. You can just share from me. Tastes so good.
Can you take a picture of me, Mommy?
Damn, that's good.
Right here. Kiss me.
Look at it. Mommy want the leg?
No. Ako nga ate, dahan-dahan ka mag-lake. May tissue ka ate?
Nope.
I have one. Or you can get some there. Tara, picture na. Ice cream kami. Okay. Okay, walk. Ba't ka naman dito?
I didn't know this is gonna be that big.
Dixie, duck dito.
I'm
Ito rin dito. No, babe!
Dito lang mas maganda oh, dyan sa gitna. Alis-alis kayo.
Gusto niyo yung Macau? Gusto niyo din yung Macau? Pagbigyan mo na.
Diyan ka sa gitna.
It's melting.
Okay na yan. Harap ka yan.
It's okay, there's a saluhan. Sarap ba? Gelato to eh.
Bye bye guys. I'm gonna finish eating.